Hey, what's going on, guys? And it's the DGP here. So today, we are actually thank you. This is the video for thank you for the 100 subscribers. It's actually 122. Yeah, but I just call it 100 because it's actually I'll make a video for 200, and then 500, and then 1,000. Awesome. And then 2,000, and then 1,500, and then 2,000, and then 2,500, and then 3,000, and then 3,500, and then 400, and then 4,000, and then 4,500, and 5,000. I'm just gonna make all that videos. So because of the 100 subscribers, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do full, everything full. Oh my god! If you understand it well, you can do it in less than 10 seconds, very fast. And for beginners, sometimes you go like 20, 30, like for average maybe above 10, maybe 20, like this. So I'm just only at average, so I'll be like 16, 17, whatever. I'm not a pro, but I know how to do it. So the only thing you need to do is to do this. Lift it up like this and switch. Lift it up again and then switch. Lift it up again and then switch. So it's in 2 moves. Really easy. Just do it in 2 moves and do it 64 times. For some here. 64. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Done. In 63 moves. I mean in these 2 moves. Sorry. And you do it 63 times. You get full color. Done. It repeats from when it started. So I'm going to scramble this thing. I'm just gonna scramble this thing, and I'm doing it in 1 hand. Okay, so let's wait. Let me scramble, because you don't see. So, in 1 hand, ready, set, go. Trying to focus. and then in one hand. Look at that. You do it in one hand. That is so awesome. It's really awesome. So anyway, guys, thank you so for the 100 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. And I got my name there. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. And say bye bye to the Rubik Cube too. Only for this video. And so thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next time.